Brr. Brr. First hit this, you know. First hit this of my career, you see it? Bang. Brr.
What happened to you? After you got jail barefoot?
Yeah. I'm follow the girl go show her with the pampas themselves.
Up Papa Debbie.
Yeah, man, Miss Debbie attack. This is some police over the next side. The same jeep, then go 100 there and come out and back me up from the sun. This is stream and I pick them and say, I still learning the vehicle them a pass. The people them there, I still learning. Hey, man. Yeah, so learning, Mr. Yohan. Come here, Mr. You can't touch come there, your vehicle. I mean, I know you first be a police. Yeah, Mr.
I never police. But me never send you out, so you tell them to me send you out. Me not send you nowhere.
I'm going to buy the cigarette, and the girl give me one cranberry, so we just treat them and say, and when they reverse. Some boy don't know what to start saying, yo!
Remember you dip on the live, you know.
Some boy don't start saying,
So the COVID vaccine reached Jamaica as we speak. Some practical nurse they walk around the community them and ask the people if them interested to take the COVID vaccine. Behalf of the citizens of Jamaica and me I go speak right now. See that COVID vaccine thing there? Me have a feeling say yo, that thing there are some virus. You just feel like say yo when you take that brother, you either go blind, dumb, can't see, can't hear, nothing. Your body go malfunction. You even now go know when your belly full from when you're hungry. Remember me tell you. So go and go take it, yeah. Go and go take it. Me not take that. Well, if you see bro God take it, maybe we might take the vaccine. Yeah, me have to see what I go and feed first.
Culture and Rasta. And he said, Jano did, Jano did. Jano did. Zabunda. Yes, Selassie, I love you. Miss Rona. Yes, Selassie, I love you.
Who is Selassie, Pops?
Yes, Selassie, I love you.
King of Kings, blah, blah, blah.
No. You're wrong. Wrong. No.
Feed.
No.
Food.
Say you're wrong.
Feed.
Jesus.
You know what?
Listen me.
Addis Ababa, 2nd of November 1930. Addis Ababa,
Are the crown
Selassie
king?
dead. Selassie is not kings of kings and lords of lords. No, make me have it out, Zamunda. No.
The number one cheaters them in Jamaica, me go start off with Ryan. Ryan top the list. The Ryan them when them give money hard. Then you have the Omar them. The Omar them, for them type of bun, are some like for them bun you never can find out for them bun it. The Omar them give bun and they lie. The Omar them blow out. Then you have Michael. When Michael give a bun, he give a bun with some people until I say them are in family. Them and family. That the type of bun there, a wicked man thing. Kemar! For Kemar type of bun, them for Kemar type of bun and everything in a one. They get the whole factory with Kemar type of bun. And Kemar them a give on. Them no give normal bun. Them give you cheese with it. Them give you butter with it. Them give you everything from bun to cheating to everything you can think about. The Kemar them are the worst. Not to mention the Dwight them. Discreet.
Too damn rasbad. You wanna see how I took the place? Dirty junk, bro. Eat a food, man. Sure. I'll make sure you come in before 9.
You want Irish Marshall Lindsay that honey? Take off the cock and turn it down and you can't come out of your buckle at all. You are Pearline and Ramon and Changbak Sassy, Perilla front end, lift up the up jars and rip up sheet and brought down the bed and tear up the mattress, drop to the floor and drop on the cellar, make you still a do it. You want to sit, make your blaze up and dash a fire, make him eat, took tender, make him clap and say hallelujah, make him ball say three.
Hear me out now. You see, when they a party and certain song play, you have to just know to stand up and hold your composure. Cause I know every dance fit everybody. May I talk the truth? They a party already and I see a girl run across the party and slap a girl with one of them. You see if you're well marga, don't do the gully creeper, cause you're gonna look like a mosquito. I beg you, see if you know your shoes are dry rotten, you can't do the nullinga, that is a lethal mistake. Me see a man bust the nullinga one time and 30 seconds later is a girl that Mira tell him same two of them ugly. One time I see a girl that dance so and I use style and hold a man and take it down out of the ear neatly. I say that to say this, if your arm too green, don't do the flary. Last but not least, for the ladies, them no bother with the dirty wine if the wig not sew down good pan your head enough. You see a girl bust the dirty wine one night and her wig fly off in her next girl cup. They did have to walk over to the girl with the cup and say, Mama, what that you drink? Smirnoff Ice? She said, no steam, that one you name the red stripe here.
One stop there, driver. Driver, one stop there. Driver, me say one stop there. But hello, Miss Driver. Miss Lady.
Yes.
You know, see me I beg you tap the bus so long. You don't
excuse me?
2 times, you know.
You're supposed to pull the string, sir.
Who string?
There's a string you're supposed to pull or press the
I
button.
your foot them tappy bus.
You're supposed to pull the string.
Which button you tell me about?
You're supposed to pull the string
Are
or
you
press
tappy
the
bus?
button. Excuse me, I don't understand what you're saying.
You want me to speak in proper?
Excuse me?
is the one stop at the bus.
I don't. You are supposed to pull the string, sir.
Tappy bus.
Please have a seat
No
and
string,
enjoy the bus ride.
Tappy bus.
Please have a seat, please, and thank you.
Hey, girl, I'm not sending no more bumbuckler money now. I want you. I'm already sending money already for the baby. I want you. Pull up. You can't not go pull up now, man. You talk about. Girl, come off my phone, man. I want you.
Why the fuck are you playing with me? Like, I don't be on that bullshit. Like, I don't know what the fuck you be.